Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, Welcome back to another coding every day until I get a job. Um, I want to do a sound check as usual to make sure everything sounds okay and are fine, and it looks great. Okay, cool. Now, what I need to do was pop out the chat, bring it to OBS, and yeah, make sure the chat is working, I guess. Um, So I think for today, I've been struggling with how to work with the backend because I guess I just don't understand how Hono work yet. But hopefully we can try that today. And yeah, basically what I want to do is just we still want to use the Hono backend. So yesterday when I tested it with a mock data first, it looks like it worked. And let's just go to localhost 3000. And it would, if we go to /API/resources, we would actually get the JSON data, but not really the JSON data. It's still a let's just resources like that. Okay, I hate Arc because of this. Okay, yeah. Like basically, I'm able to get this data, but all this data is still hard coded with inside the seed.js. Like it's this, yeah, like a seed file. So I think right now what I want to do is try to connect it using the real API. It's like a real um okay. Mm, Sorry, I'm getting the notes here. I think I'm gonna try to do that again. Wait, yeah, I wanna try to. Okay, so basically, yeah, using the fake data, it works. Now I just need to connect it to the real database, I guess. Um, yeah, I guess there's still, yeah, some changes to the data. It's much more, how would you say it? Like it's much more comprehensive, although I don't know if I want it to be this complex or not. This is generated with the help of I'm testing the Claude 4. So Claude improves my original idea actually. So that's cool. But yeah, I guess right now what I want to do is um, try to yeah use the full backend, and I think I want to apply to this job. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm also look a bit torn and confused, like whether should I apply the authentication first or not. I've been reading the Better Auth doc, and it looks like it's quite simple. I am not sure. Probably it won't be that simple, but yeah. I guess let's just give it a try to connect to the database. I guess, yeah. Okay, 1 second. Um, Okay. Sorry, I need to ask someone. Mm-hmm. Okay, wait, I think I haven't generated that. Okay. Mm-hmm. That, and that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to find some lo-fi music as well, and it says it's not copyright. But when I look at the YouTube Studio, it says it's copyrighted, so I'm not entirely sure whether it's correct or not, or like how should I use music here? Because at one point I don't want to get copyrighted, but that's the title of the video that I play on YouTube Music says it's not copyright, so I'm a bit confused. See, a restriction is copyright, 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 copyright. Like what? What am I supposed to do? Like what? How could I use musics that are not copyright then? Okay. You can use the bot in Discord. Oh, that's cool. Okay. But the thing is, I don't want to open too many application. Um, I kind of want to just use the browser and the terminal and other stuff. Like, if I open Discord again, it might use a lot of RAM again. Well, maybe not that much, but still. I guess I just have to try again and see if it's not copyrighted. But you know what? It's fine. I don't. You know, it's fine. It's fine. Not. It's not that important to be honest. But yeah. It's because like yesterday when I open NeoVim, it's lagging. Like okay, that means that's bad. Even NeoVim starts to lag. Like I don't even open that many things. Okay, maybe I open way too much things. Okay. Valid. Yeah. I don't know why. Like I tried to even NeoVim starts to lag yesterday, so I'm not entirely sure. Maybe because I opened too many tabs. Probably because of that, but I don't know. Mm, Okay, so now what I need to do is I already have the wrangler.toml, which connects everything. You know, it's fine. The database ID is just it's fine. Okay. Yeah, this one, but yeah, okay. We already have the schema.ts, but without the user yet, because I think I'm gonna try to incorporate it with the... Did you figure out the big 2025 memes? Kinda, a little bit. I saw people tattooing the tung 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 thing on his arm. Like, what? That's insane dedication, by the way, and it's crazy. Why do you do that? Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Maybe I should start the auth first, right? I don't know, man. I think I need to... What job position are you applying for? Also, your stream is on so much delay. Yeah, I don't really know how to make sure that don't happen. I really don't know what can I do to not train a broom law. um I hope YouTube won't copyright this song because it's clearly says no copyright, so I don't know. Categories, okay. Wait, yeah, I need to open number 2. I don't think we need that, so I think that's fine. Just realize how simple it is. I'm overcomplicating myself again. So it says ID, name, slug, description, created ad, sort order. I don't need that. I don't think so. Tags. Guess the meme. Hello, what's the overall project about? I am trying to make a directory website, basically. Oh my god. The banana monkey? I don't know. Okay, that one I don't know. To set the current timestamp, that's on Postgres. Timestamp. Whenever you run out of content, just do SMR. That's actually a good idea. Thank you. Chimpanzee. Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, sorry. I'm stuck at this, man. I don't know. Uh, okay. How do you do it in SQLite? To set current timestamp as a default value in SQL, you can use SQL operator with current timestamp constant, which return text representation of the current UTC date and time. Create table. Yeah, but I'm using. Okay. Okay, I don't know if even the schema is correct. God damn it. Okay. Chimpanzee bananini? Bananini. Okay. I'm guessing that's something to do with the elephant. I don't know. The Dumbo? Or I don't know. Oh my god. Why is there so much things for current timestamp? Are you gonna Google chimpanzini banani? Yeah, okay, let's do that. What's the lore behind this? Oh my god, why? Italian brain rot. What? What is wrong with the Italians, man? Is the elephant also here? Okay, this is the damn elephant right here. Oh my god. They selling it for $13? What? At Walmart? Okay, that's cool. And fuck. um God damn it. Okay. People are just insane. Okay. They're selling it at Walmart for like $13. That's crazy. That's insane. Not gonna lie. That's insane. That is insane. Peace, man. This is equals database key. Want to use different names in your TypeScript code, and in the database, you can use column aliases. You can shouldn't do anything you would in simple TypeScript. One common feature is to separate columns into different places. The updated, created, and deleted columns. Many tables may need these three fields to track and analyze the creation, deletion, and updates of entities in the system. You can define those columns in a separate file and then import and spread them across the table object you have. Oh, that's cool. In SQL, there's no concept of schema. You can only define tables within a single SQLite file context. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be formatted this way so that, oh, okay, that's actually smart, by the way. Like, can I format it that way? No, okay, it doesn't allow me to format it that way. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so this default, this is wrong, that means, because t dot int. What is the t? Oh, it's the SQLite core. Okay. Do I need to use this SQLite core? Man, I'm confused, man. Okay. This is an example project that I was following. And it looks pretty normal. Doesn't really have a date time, doesn't have... Okay. It actually does have date time, but it's just timestamp like this. Maybe I should use the same mode date. Because this is... Yeah, this is not correct then. Okay. Okay, I asked Claude and it's recent UID. It recommends using this create ID. Oh, no. The ID is okay later. No. That's not it. So that means the created ad is supposed to be something like this. Sorry. Here's the ad, but the mode is timestamp. And its default function is new date. I think that should be correct. That means for the other created ad, it's supposed to be the same as well. What if it's updated at then? Okay, it's lagging again, by the way. Okay, it's lagging again. Categories. This is for the resources. I don't know if this is the exact same thing or not. Okay, it's the same for updated ad. This is still an issue that I still don't know what is the problem is. We have resource tags, which is on delete cascade, correct. Tag ID on delete cascade, yes, with the primary key of that. So I don't know why it's not working. I do not have resource ID? I do have resource. Huh. Okay, never mind. I think I need to make a connection to TS. This is the one that I make, right? Okay, that means this is wrong. Because that means import. Wait, yeah, let me check the result and the D1. See if this is correct. Okay, so I have the drizzle, which inside of the drizzle, okay, I have the DB. Inside the DB is the schema. DB is the schema. What is the index? Okay, index, I think that's the main thing. We already have the drizzle config as well and everything. Okay, the file looks okay. Do I have TSX? Package.json. Maybe we don't have TSX, that's why. Okay, but do we have drizzle kit? We do have drizzle kit and ORM and .env. So that's nice. We already set up wrangler.toml as well. Okay, let's add the node compat. Sure. We already have the DB things. And this is the connection, I guess, right? Why is it a bit different? Connect result ORM to the database. I think it's the same. Should be any. I don't want it to be any. So I think we just follow this. I'm gonna need to do this for a bit. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is correct or not. I set up the out, the schema is DB schema. Okay, yeah, because it's a DB schema. The one credential is the same. Oh, okay. Is that why Persilus is not working? I guess. Okay. That's that. Already done. Okay. Let's try, I guess. Okay. Okay. Now we have to. Okay, we have to generate already, and I think next we need to create npx wrangler d1 create db. Oh shit, okay. Node compat is no longer okay. Sorry, that was my bad. Let's go to Wrangler. No need for that. Go back to this. Okay, that means this is a bit outdated. Could we make a pull request, or is it just because my sorry, not pull request? Could we help change the doc? I mean, I don't know if the node. Okay, I'm just gonna try trial and error, just like everything else. That didn't work. Okay. Okay, what is the here then? Keluar sih bahasa. Iya.
Ntar jam berapa dari sini?
Jam 3 paling?
Mepet ya, tapi 3 kan jam 4.
Ya mungkin jam 3 kurang.
7-9 atau
Kayak 7-9 sih. Lebih
berarti 3-3-4-5 ada aja.
nyampe sananya.
Sorry.
245.
4.
Heeh. Why is it an error? Anybody? Hello. Anybody knows what's... Okay, I just realized the text of the chat isn't really visible. So I apologize for the people rewatching. Sometimes it's visible, sometimes it's not, but I hope that's okay. There's no way I exceeded the limit already. I set it up yesterday. Wait, let me not expose all the keys. Okay. What are you coding? I'm trying to set up. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Yahoo. I'm trying to connect Phono with D1 TV. But what is this error? I don't know. Sorry. Mm, what's the code? There's no error. Okay, code 7003. Okay. Mm, first language? I think first ever programming language I learned was Scratch, to be honest. It's like the drag and drop, more like blocks rather than writing code. I don't know if you know, but that was like the first thing I learned back in uh, junior high school in a robotics club. But yeah, Scratch. Oh, cool. What application are you making right now? Ooh, what is GD script? I'm gonna try to npx wrangler d1 create. My guess is that I already created it. I already created it before, so I'm guessing that's why it's error. Maybe we can try the next one to run it locally. And it's going to be the 0001 underscore rainy underscore scourge dot SQL. Oh, sorry, I forgot the. God damn it! I forgot the D1 npx D1 execute. Currently building tiny virtual keyboard serve input capture application in Python for this keyboard input because I want to have. Ah, cool. Do you have a public GitHub repo? Maybe I can use it as well. Yes. What apps are you currently making? Hello, hello, John and Joseph. Welcome. Thank you. That's awesome. Maybe I could use it on the stream as well. Although I'm typing a lot of secret keys and password. I might need to I might need to find a way where I could just mpx. A do something sake. Okay, 1 second. I will go there. I need to copy this command. Okay, right now. npx wrangler d1 execute and then homework local file result underscore rainy underscore scourge dot SQL. Please work. No worries. Okay, I don't know what's the error with this, but yeah, I guess send it to Cloudflare Dreams. I don't mind. What is it error again? Follow. Oh wow, this is cool. I think I need to upgrade my my was it the GitHub as well? My GitHub is terrible. It's empty. Oh, I like this. That's cool. Oh, GD script. Oh, Godot. Godot. Yeah. I like it. What's your Git? I like this part. I think I need to make my Git like this because my Git is super empty and it's just like terrible. There's nothing in it. Yeah. Damn, this is what is this? Wait. Why is it error like this, man? There is the okay. Okay, we see the dot wrangler, but why is it error? Okay, I'm gonna try to set. Okay, you know what? I see the DBs here. I'm just not entirely sure why we couldn't see it. I think right now I just want to go to the seed and let's change the seed because the seed is not like this anymore. Because the seed, I already have the seed, so let's do that. I don't like the any one, the any type here, but okay, I'm gonna follow this for now. And I apologize. The washing machine is on right now, so I apologize if it's a bit loud. There we go. Cool. Because I had to because I need to learn Android. Bye. No worries, man. So how many followers I need to have so I can live stream coding? I think just start with YouTube right away. Yeah, I think you can just start with YouTube right away. Okay, I'm a bit confused, but okay, that's fine. Why is it showing me this error? Status is not status. I remove the status from that. What is this with the error, man? Okay, sorry. Type bindings equals to dv d1 d1 d. Okay, this is gonna be a problem. New. Oh no. Is it like something that I need to? Okay, I don't know. I don't know why it's like this. I think let's just start from scratch again. I don't have. I have Zod installed. Wait, do I have Zod installed in here? Oh, we do have Zod. Okay, that's okay. I think that's automatically installed, right? Okay, it's automatically installed. Okay. And I think we get TB from from a TB connection. Variables is the okay, yeah. We'll set it up later. Category is also optional. Type is also optional. Difficulty is also optional. Search. It's also optional. So this is for the pagination, I think. And then we can have a try catch. Okay, this is a big try block. 1 second. DB dot select. Okay, now this is familiar. It's supposed to be image URL, and then after image URL is the resource type. Resource type difficulty level. Resource.difficulty level is free. Resources is free. Use lights count. Categories.id, name categories as name, categories as slug. Okay, and then we can chain is resources dot left join equal to resources dot category ID. So, okay, wait, I think I need to. I forgot to import from the schema. That's why it's all error. Because yeah, I think we're gonna need some EQ descending and like and then count, which is from the ORM, and then we would also need the resources categories tags resource tags from @/db/ schema, because that's where all the objects are. And then after that, that's it. We have 6 import. Okay, cool. My bad, guys. It's resources. Yes. I think I'm gonna rename it to resources, but yes. Then we go to route. Yeah, it should work. Hello, is your opinion better than VS Code? It really depends. For about 1 month now, and it's been interesting, to be honest. Uh, is it better than VS Code? I think it really depends on how you configure them and what feature is the most important to you. For me, the reason I want to use NeoVim was because during streaming, when I use VS Code, it would lags very bad. That's why I'm trying to find editor that still have a lot of feature but use less memory, because I'm streaming and coding, opening development server, opening multiple tabs, reading documentation, or even opening another editor. But yeah, basically it's just my use case was initially was so that I could find an editor that would run better when I'm streaming. I know I could use macro, but I still really don't know how to use macro. Yeah, I spent like the first few weeks of the streaming just configuring the NeoVim. VS Code is super easy. I still use VS Code and NeoVim back and forth because I, like, for example, if I need AI, or if I need like Copilot or the other one, I still use the VS Code one. But for this, I'm trying to use the NeoVim as much as possible. Sorry, yeah. We left join it with the category table. Where it's equal to actually I don't have I removed this. So I think it's gonna be error. Yeah. Declaration statement expected. Huh, okay, this is weird, but okay, it's fine. I do not have I removed the resources status. Does not exist. Yeah, I know. So let's just delete that. I think I won't be needing this. So it's just going to be cons result equals to, oh wait, QD dot order by descending resources created and limit offset. And then we could just return that, right? Inside the, yeah. We'll return the result later. 1 second. Let's get the total count first. From the resources table, so we have this where it's equal, sorry, we don't need that. Now we can return c.json. Data is the result. Pagination. Failed to fetch resources. Okay, now this is for the get, but based on its personal ID. We're going to, okay, do we not validate it again? URL. Okay, it's the same, but it's going to be the select. It's just going to be depending on the ID equals to ID, I guess. Yeah, but it's okay. Author, description, URL, resource type, views, likes count. Yeah, created path is the same. Category is the same. Just the where is the different one. Okay, why? Resources. Left join category. Okay, left join with categories. Or it's equal to resources dot category ID dot category dot ID. limit to one because it's per page. Oh, sorry. And then another error handling. I don't know if this is. Ah, okay. This is okay. Yeah, yeah, I remember. This is gonna increment every single time. Okay. Where? And it's just gonna return. It's on. Okay. Possibility of error. What is that? Uh, actually, I actually started in since college, since first year uni. But that was introduction class with C, and then some projects with Python and MATLAB. Then uh, I I have a database course. That's when I first learned more about Project with JS and SQL. So yeah, that's that. Sorry, I didn't see it. I was trying to figure out why we have so much error. Okay, now resources, I think it's kind of done. Now we just need the tags. Oh, sorry. No, with the categories first. Opposite object is possibly. Okay, we'll catch that later. That error later. That. Schema. This is the DE convention, I guess. Oh no. Variables is variable. Same get, but it's async now because we don't use the fake data anymore. Let's not return this yet. Get PV. Let's add a try block. So from categories, so order. Does it have a sort order, or I removed it by accident? Okay, no, that's not it. This is interesting. Okay. Property from does not exist seculated. Wait, what? Oh shit, I forgot to import it from SQLite. So let's add that. I forgot. Oh, god damn it, it's already there. Why am I so goes unnoticed? Only one from. Why do I need more? That's it, that's enough. Okay. That's it for the categories? I thought it would more. Okay, never mind. DB schema, we delete that, we import DB from DB connection. I think starts to get the hang of it. Okay, let's add the type variables equals to db from there. Mono is going to have the variables. Yeah, and then let's just sync async fonts db equals c db. Another try catch. Here const result equals to db.select from tags. I also remove the just ID name and slug. I don't order it by anything. That's TS.
Ar, lap yang biasanya pakai buat nge-PJ yang mana?
Yang pink.
Ini.
Yeah. Cool. Now we just need to make sure that works. Const result. Okay, the complex query is only in there, I guess, in the resources. Because I guess there's pagination and things like that, so that's why that works. Okay, that's done. Now we need to create a seeding script to seed database. Okay. Okay, that's not good. What's the next step? Okay. Wait, yeah, I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm gonna take a 2-minute break. 1 second. I need to stretch. Stand up, walk a bit. Um, sorry, I'm using mouse here, so okay, I'm gonna test it first, but I don't know if this works or not. Hmm. Okay. Okay, I think I know what I should do with this. Wait. it's trying to like push this seed database into the local database, I think. Let's see if this works. I'm probably gonna get another error, which is fine. Okay. Let's try the npx. Okay, this is another command. So, yeah. This is local. This is persist. libdb slash lib.db. Okay, slash lib.db. Lib slash db slash seed script. Okay. This is bad. This is... Hi. Hello. I am... But I also apply for video editing and To be honest, I have no idea what is this error. Like if I run this, what will I get? I would assume I would get a lot of error, but let's try that. There we go. Okay. It's probably there's no database or something. Because the database, okay. Uh, okay. Thank you, Mr. Red Boss. But yeah, I don't know why this is not working. Let's open another browser. It's not working apparently. No, thanks. Okay, the front end still works. It's just that okay, what's this the cannot reproduce undefined reading. Okay. Oh, okay. That's not good, is it? Wait, yeah, let me try to copy this error. Okay, I think if this doesn't work or the fix doesn't work, I'm gonna continue again tomorrow and end the stream in probably 5 to 10 minutes because yeah, I have no idea what's wrong. But you know what? I think yeah, okay. This doesn't work. The back end still doesn't work. Only the front end work. Oh, yeah, the front. Okay, no, I turned off the server. Okay. Yeah, okay. My thought, I guess, I would like to just restart the project by connecting the backend first. I mean, I already have the front end, so I could just copy paste everything. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's not working, but I'll try again tomorrow. Maybe we'll start over with the setup project and or maybe if I could find someone with a proper template. Or you know what? I think I'm gonna write. Sorry, I think I'm gonna. I don't know, man. I'm probably gonna look for like projects that have the same tech stack and see if they have anything in similar. Maybe I should start with the backend first and then with the front end. I mean, I already have the front end. Maybe yeah, maybe I'll just restart the project or something. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna restart it again. I think I'm gonna try to make it from the back end because I already have the front end. Maybe I'm just yeah, I'm just gonna move. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's it for today. I guess thank you for watching. Another recording every day until I get the job. Sorry, I got very confused because I don't know which one is correct. But yeah. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.